leave your name, number, and a brief message, and I'll return your call as soon as possible. Or for a faster response, please text me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Amanda, hey, Troy Kearns sitting in front of your house right here. And I'm not sure what the address is, but it's kind of a piece of crap. It's got red shutters on it. And anyways, if you can give me a call back, I own a bunch of properties in this area. So what I always do on everything like that is I'm gonna like bombard them. So I'm just gonna be like, hey Amanda, I'm trying to get a hold of you. You got this property right here. There's your pretty face right there. I own properties around this area. Give me a call back if I haven't seen this one for sale on the market. That's always gonna get a better response. So current location. Okay, so that's listed for 55, so we can see the inside. It's a good little deal. We could pick that up. Like if you look around here, it's like a $200,000 house. So that'd be a good flip. Let's go walk it real quick. Just to show you what a good flip is. She got a lockbox right here, needs a new roof, needs siding, got something in the back there, got electrical panel here. Guess we can see the inside too. Kitchen over here, needs a new roof, that's the big thing. Okay, so come in this side. I'm just trying to save her some time. Oh yeah, I'm the only one that's buying this house. Look at that, right? So we could probably pick this thing up for like, I bet whoever owned it bought it through tax sale or something like that. This is like a $15,000 buy. She's never gonna get the price that they're talking about. At least we saw the inside. The whole floor's falling in, so that's how quick you can make an assessment. And listen, it's a $200,000 property, so how would I want to buy it? I'd take it and say, all right, $200,000 minus. No, that's just it sinking from the inside out. I bet you whoever owned this house bought it in tax sale, confirmed the tax sale. They probably got into it for a couple thousand and they're throwing it back on the market to try to make a good chunk of change on it. But the reality is this is like a $15,000 property that probably needs about a $80,000 rehab, and then you can make some decent money on it. But nobody's gonna buy it. I'm like the buyer on these houses. So just as you're driving for stuff, add properties like this, make offers, call agents, send them text messages, compliment them, and get to the next deal. Let's go.